Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the hair care industry, the Hairmax Ultima 12 Classic LaserComb. If you're dealing with thinning hair or looking to boost hair growth, this device claims to reverse hair loss using laser light therapy. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Hairmax Ultima 12 LaserComb is a lightweight, cordless device designed to promote hair regrowth. It uses red light therapy, specifically 12 medical-grade lasers, targeting hair follicles to stimulate growth and restore hair density. This laser therapy is clinically validated, with 7 clinical studies backing its effectiveness. It's FDA-cleared, and according to Hairmax, the average user sees an increase of 129 new hairs per square inch after about 6 months of use. It's easy to operate, with just a few minutes of treatment required 3 times a week, and it's portable with a rechargeable battery. In real-world use, the Hairmax LaserComb is straightforward to incorporate into a daily routine. It's light, comfortable, and takes about 8 minutes per session. The cordless feature adds convenience, making it easy to use at home or while traveling. I was able to set it up without any hassle, and the treatments felt gentle and non-invasive. After several weeks, I didn't see immediate results. It's a process that takes time, but I did notice subtle improvements in hair texture and density as I continued my sessions. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the device is incredibly easy to use, lightweight, and comfortable. The cordless design is a major plus for convenience, and the clinical validation provides a sense of reliability and trust in its claims. The 6-month money-back guarantee is also a reassuring feature, offering peace of mind for first-time users. However, while the device is comfortable, the main downside is that results take time. 6 months is a significant commitment, and while many users report seeing results in this time frame, it's not instant gratification. Plus, the device is quite an investment, so it's important to factor in whether you're willing to commit both time and money. Now, regarding value for money, the Hairmax Ultima 12 is on the higher end in terms of pricing for at-home hair regrowth devices. It offers clinical-grade laser treatment that you can use from the comfort of your home, which is convenient, but it's not cheap. When comparing it to other laser combs or hair growth devices on the market, Hairmax stands out for its FDA clearance and proven clinical studies, but alternatives may offer similar results for a lower price. Build quality is solid. The comb feels durable, and the materials are sturdy enough to withstand regular use. As for longevity, while I can't speak to long-term wear and tear, Hairmax does offer a 1-year warranty, which is a nice security net. In terms of customer support, Hairmax has a strong reputation. Their 6-month money-back guarantee and responsive customer service add value to the overall experience, making them a reliable brand for anyone worried about product satisfaction. There are a few alternatives on the market, such as the iRestore Laser Hair Growth System or the Capillus Laser Cap, which also use red light therapy for hair regrowth. The Hairmax LaserComb is slightly more affordable than these other options, though you'll need to decide if the LaserComb format appeals to you more than the cap-style devices. To wrap it up, the Hairmax Ultima 12 LaserComb is a well-designed, clinically validated hair regrowth tool that delivers results with consistent use. It's best for those committed to a long-term regimen and who are willing to invest in a quality device. While it may not offer instant results, it does provide a viable, scientifically backed solution for thinning hair. If this review helped, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others looking for a hair regrowth solution can find this video too. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. If you've already used the Hairmax Ultima 12, let me know your experience in the comments. Until next time, keep your hair looking its best, and I'll see you soon for more reviews.